Hi, my name is Paola Andracles. This activity or video is for English too. Okay, I'm 28 years old. I live in Orlando, Florida, and I'm studying telecommunications engineering. I'm in my last semester. So I have to talk about my experience of a trip. So I took when I traveled last year to Chicago with my husband, and we were there like 4 days, and we went to a concert in Chicago Theater. Um, so my husband is architect, so we went to know different places that are important in the architect thing. So it was a really great trip, and with tickets and with everything we do in Chicago, we spent like $800. So it was a really cheap trip. Okay, the weather in Chicago is really cold but nice at the same time, and you can enjoy it if you like places like that. So we went to the Chicago Theater, to the John Hancock, to the Art Museum, to the Bean. It's really famous. The Willis Towers and Navy. What should you in Chicago? Okay, if you're planning to travel to Chicago, you should make an itinerary of the old places you wanna know, and the things you wanna eat, and this is really important to enjoy everything. The things you shouldn't do, you should not go to the areas that are allowed, because there are places that are safety and other places not really safety for anyone. So it's important to do this. And Chicago is a really beautiful city, and you're gonna enjoy it if you go cold places.